Hipsters on the brink of elimination. Look at this start. This is a line drive right up the middle by Abe J. Cohen. David Farka, he follows suit. That's another line drive right up the middle. Abe J. will stop at second. 2 men on for Ali Marshall. And Marshall just completely obliterates this wall way past the center fielder. 2 runs will score. Ali will stop at third because nobody is out. No reason to push the envelope. So man on third. Hipsters up 2-0. And next guy up, that's going to be a pop-up to the infield. Ali has to stay at third. Edmund Duet will then bat. He's also going to pop up. Great throw from Elsack. Keeps Ali at third again with 2 outs. So Yedid trying to navigate through this inning and strand Ali. They're going to now pitch to Nate Kush. Ground ball looks like he can get out of the inning, but Charles Sacker airmails it. 3-0 Hipsters in the top of the first. Exactly the start that they needed after falling in game 1. Dano in full uniform, unbelievable. Gabri, vamos. Gold Glove nominee over here, Gabri. Wee. What's up, Wee? Toot. How happy are you to be home for this week?
I feel toot, exhale, you know?
You're happier. You're happier than the teams at the bye right now.
My stomach's still in
These
knots,
guys are nervous. This guy put a uniform on, and you're chilling. Okay, DK, look at the brew crew. Jig.
Shake and bake.
Great game over there.
Sick game.
Extra innings.
Unbelievably short.
Cheetos and Jake.
We're going back and forth.
Back and forth. Look at this, bro.
Team effort, by the way.
Look at this. Look at this view. Hey, Bob. What's up, man?
What a day.
What a day. You picked a sweep by Beast Mode. They lost game 1. Hi, Ron.
TI's.
Alana, Elsack, big win. Yeah.
Got his team ready.
Always we have to go to Uncle Norman's house.
Did you see that throw just now?
No.
Got him, run around
You're
third.
supposed to be working now. It's the game of the week right
You
now.
told me I'm off this.
No, dude. This is game 2 on Fireman. Get to work.
Dude, you told me you didn't. You told me I'm done.
Bro, you're never done. Get over there.
All right, if you want me, I'll
Of course.
do
It's
it.
the game of the week.
Do it.
Can't get good help anymore. I used to have these guys as my scorecards. Can't find it. It is a future scorecard for me right here. Guys, we got the live stream for the World Series tomorrow night. I'm on the mic with Roland. Ground ball to Charles. Throws it away. Throws it away. A bad error by Charles there, and Kush will get second. David Sacker thinks it's National Hefe Day. Went to the wrong field. Didn't see Jeffrey laboring in his 23rd inning of work, so he's just going to come to the Moshiach game over here. Ali Marshall, vintage.
Yeah, I was pissed off from last game. I have to get it going.
You got to get it going. Listen, you're on the brink right now, and you stepped up for your team. That's all you can do. What are you up, 2-0 right now? 3-0. Pachoto, that's to Eshko. Jay, what do we have here? 3-0 Hipsters.
Going bottom of the first.
Bottom of the first, 3-0 Hipsters. All right, Jay. Keep doing what you do. Sloppy inning, right? Ali hit a bomb.
Yeah. They got runners on early, and unlike last game where they couldn't drive in the runs, this time they actually did. And Ali hit a triple and scored 2 runs, and now it's 3-0.
So it was a 2-run triple, and then I saw the error at third to make it 3-0. Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right, Jay. Keep doing you, baby. How we doing? Edmund fan. Wow. Farka. When we saw the shot on the other field, we all said it's Farka, and then we saw Ali running out of the box. It's a vintage 3-0. Elliman, nice throw there. Nice throw in.
He wasn't shooting, but
He was going to go. Nice throw there.
I want to go. We did the hard part. We stranded him.
Right.
That's what it is.
3-0 game. You guys got a hit now.
Yeah. Let's go.
All right.
Hookah's on fire.
Good.
Joe,
Guys, chip away.
want to get him water?
Chip away. Chip away.
Hi. One more thing. I love Mormon.
What's up, Jamie? No problem. No problem. Bobby love. I love you. You selling candy?
I love pirate food.
You want pirate booty? Tell the boys you want what you want.
I bought you one before, Bob. I bought you one before.
All right, Bobby, running up a tab at the Phallus candy shop. Look at Saka batting in on first. Saka, that's a base hit to left. Huber will get to second. Here's Buka Cullen batting. 3-0 Hipsters, bottom one. Nobody out. Big chance, and it's a base hit to left. Huber rounding third. Marcus gonna let him score, and it is 3-1. Look at that response. Right back to Joe Eshko Ashkenazi. Oh, Eshko, that's a base hit. Elsack will look at the throw and stop at third. His base is loaded. It was hit too hard, then he must go anywhere. I like the hold. Base is loaded. Paul Saka now batting. See how they play the Peaches. 3-1, very high scoring first inning over here. Okay. Something's going to change, those Peaches. Inside, he walked the man home. It is 3-2.
Let's go.
3-2 now, right? Any out, Eddie? Any out? No out. Okay, Mo Haber, the captain, batting. Maxi Beat on deck. Get out the line, it's hard. And it's land. And it is high in the third. Oh, yes. The professional
I
feature
like
hitting,
to make
correct?
a thing about this guy, Maurice.
Yeah.
He is a legend, and the beat goes on. Doesn't matter how old he is.
He just knew exactly what to do in that situation.
He knew what was coming. I told you. He's going to right.
Yeah, and he slows the game down because he's a little older.
But he's not
ball to
older
right.
on the field. He's
Right.
like one of the kids.
I hear you. Interesting.
I'm jealous of that.
You played well into your years as well, by the way.
He's just great.
3-all. Maxi Deed, ground ball to third. There's one out. Play to second. There's two.
That's you.
Avi Dweck, HaKohen. Should be HaKohen, not Cohen. But I guess he wants to go a little incognito. Avi, Leo Pachordo can hold on to it. And he throws it away. Just absolutely ugly baseball over there. Leo Babadi should not have thrown it. Avi was already 4/5 of the way there by the time he had control of the ball and absolutely just tosses it into the street to find his way. It's a typical dead throw. Zeke goes up the middle and they can't field it. Avi's going around, but he's not gonna hold him. Oh no, Hipsters. That's going to be a triple for Zeke. Absolutely ugly. Oh my God, Hipsters. I can't even believe what I'm seeing right now. Absolutely elementary, little league type of style softball just now. And they gave a free run. Avi Dweck was held easily at third. We had runners on the corner. She just pulled that ball. They throw it, tried to make a miraculous play at second. And Avi scores, and that's it. Moshiach finds himself with a 4-3 lead. And Eddie can't get that over the plate, and we find ourselves with the runners on the corner. Nobody else. Moshiach with a lot of life and momentum right now. Here in the bottom of the second. Finding himself with the lead. Elliot Saka, and that's going to drop in left, and it's going to get past left field. Huber's going around. Elliot Sack is going around the third. Is he going to score? This is going to be a tough play. Elliot Sack in with the home run. Lead slide. Elliot Sack a 3-run bomb. Giving Moshiach a 7-3 lead. Wow. Hipsters have disguised themselves. Unbelievable comeback here in the game. After trailing 3-0, 7 unanswered runs from Moshiach. Absolutely incredible softball. And another walk. You know, usually, wow. Whoa! Solomon couldn't hold on to that. That would have been 11. Frustrated. He comes maybe 4 feet in that air to get to that to hold it. but he couldn't come down with it. First and second, nobody out. And that's another walk. Eddie's beside himself. Loaded again, nobody out. Deja vu, inning number 1. Allie Marshall coming to the plate, not happy with any call right now given.
Not always the case. Where was the ball hit? Where'd you go?
Straight down the line.
This is KJ at his finest.
Yeah.
If you have an inside pitcher, you take his game and you shove it back in his face. You
Right.
create space, you beat into the spot, and the left field line is all yours.
Wow. Okay.
That's what I worked on with KJ.
Okay.
You gotta practice.
7-3
kids.
Moshe
Have
out.
to practice.
7-3? How many out? God. Nobody out. 7-3 Moshiach. Bases loaded. Nobody out. How is this going on? Flying away. That's a bomb. It's over the center fielder's head. 1 run will score. 2 runs will score. 3 runs will score. And that's a 3-run. Almost coming home. They're trying to score. I've got the Happy Father's Day Grand Slam. Grand Slam. Now, what do you think? Got a cookie? Yeah. You got on top of the ball, but I saw the backspin, and that caused the ball to rise over AJ Cohen in center. You got it over his head, so you nailed it. You guys are up 11-3. Yeah! You're up 11-3. Unbelievable shot.
Galta. And it's going to drop over AJ Cohen. 1 run scored. 9, 10. And Galta is going for the home run. Is it a great slam? It's a great slam. Oh my God. Garcia with 0 outs continues to pummel his Hipsters team. 3-run blast by Elliot Sacker. And slam by Allen. 7 runs this inning. 10-3 Moshe. Absolutely incredible softball. Never seen a team come so alive in the playoffs. Playing the number 3 seed and just making messy of them. They want more. Oh, the Hipsters team is very sad right now. They just don't know where to play. They literally can't make it out. 0 outs right now. 11-3. Moshe really wants that mercy. Big bang. 11-3. 11 unanswered runs. Moshe absolutely, Hipsters absolutely flat out there right now. Mo Haber, and it gets to Solomon Fowler. Got it. Another error. And that's another walk. First and second, nobody out. 3-2 count. Avi, who led off this inning, is up again with nobody out. Never in my life thought I would see, and especially in the playoffs, no less, a team batter around without any outs. Unprecedented. Probably a YMSL record. Avi's been up at first and second. 3-2 count, and that's another walk. Bases loaded again. Loaded. Zeke, right to him. Run's gonna tag, and he pulls in. Nobody scores. Wow, first out for the Hipsters. 2 of them are on base now. Gets through the middle, 1 run scores. Elliot Saka up again this inning after a 3-run blast. Let's see if he can make it 7 RBIs in 1 inning. That would be probably a YMSL record. Elliot Saka lines out to second. Wow, good play by Benny Rishti. Played him perfectly. Luka. And Benny cannot hold on to it. 13-3. Bases will stay loaded. Eshko. Straight to ABJ. And that's going to be the longest inning I've ever witnessed in the El Dongo game of the week. Absolutely incredible hitting by Moshiach. Batting around without making the out. And let's see if the Hipsters could enter. South Ballard can't get to it. Charles get around first but doesn't go. Stands up single for Charles. Alzolta and a drop. Mohaver, opposite field. And it gets by Kushner. Charles is going to score. Alzi doesn't know, was not aware of the surroundings. Gets the third nonetheless. And Maurice will stand up double. 16-7 game. That's the key. David J. Gonna play it. Throws it to home. Morris can hold on to it. And Mo Haver gets the third. Game overrun. Walk-off run is on third. 1 out. Avi Holt. Avi Dweck gets under it. Is it enough? Is it enough? Will Moshiach walk off? And that is 7. That's the thing. That's the first. 10 runs spread the floor. 17-7. Moshiach advances to the semifinals. Hipsters not beside themselves right now. They're getting absolutely slaughtered. We will see you all in the semifinals. Wonderland versus Blue Crew. Biblical versus Shake and David. No, Shake. I don't know. Yeah, this is good stuff. Max. Okay, Biblical also swept right now, so that means there's no Friday game. What's your position right now? Your thoughts playing a group crew next round? What do you think right now?
They're a really, really good team. Leo is just a winner. Their lineup is phenomenal. Their whole team is phenomenal. They don't have a hole anywhere. So I gotta say, the way Captain Mo Haber got us all to scout, I know we're gonna have an intense week of scouting, of watching film. So I don't really know yet, but let's watch film.
You came very well prepared today.
So prepared.
You absolutely beautiful softball. Congratulations. I honestly thought you guys would get swept. You guys ended up sweeping. But I ended up, like I said, the Nibuah. It was the Nibuah. Love it. Over and out.